I tell everybody this, like most of the successful people I know, they've realized that health matters a lot. So I've
Mhm.
always been somebody that really cares about their health. I saw a lot, my dad was a minister, so we saw a lot of unhealthy people when you're younger. That sort of leaves an imprint on you. So the first thing I tell people, and I'm pretty maniacal, I'm like, you got to prioritize your health, because if you get sick, you
Mhm.
can't do anything, right? Literally, you can't do anything. Even if you're sick for a week because you're down with something, that's a week that you're not being productive. So that's what I tell people is, and that is really a systematic game. I would say
Mhm.
everyone rely less on willpower. I go to the gym in the morning. I lay my clothes out. I get up. I just do it on autopilot robot mode, right? You just knock
Mhm.
it out, and then you feel great. Don't keep crappy food in the house because I know I'll eat it if I do. So systematically, I don't rely on my willpower to not eat the chocolate donut. I just don't keep the chocolate donut in the
Mhm.
house. So what I tell everybody is prioritize your health, whatever that means for you, but prioritize your health. It will make a world of difference. And then the second thing is recognize what your employees are good at and let them do it. And so I think there's a misnomer that like we've been really busy the last 6 months. Most of it's really good because we've had a lot of really good customer interaction. Great. I love that. Like more customers wanting to talk to us. That's a good problem to have.
Mhm.
But if the founders just, I'm constantly swamped, like I'm just constantly swamped, then there's something that your people aren't doing for you to be able to solve some of that problem for you. And so that's I'm swamped, but I'm swamped more because we have so many deals coming in. That's a problem. That's a good
Mhm.
problem, right? That's different than I've got so many things breaking and my people don't know how to solve them because they have to come back to me. So the second thing I'd say in order to manage yourself and manage your energy is recognize what your people are good at, give them guidance, give them guardrails. That, like I said, when you're talking about hiring people, set some guidance around that so they know how to operate, and then let them do it. And if you do that, what you'll find is they'll actually solve a lot of problems for you that you think that you need to be involved in. And at the end of the day, you probably didn't need to be involved.
Yeah, some great advice there to scale your time for sure.
Mhm.
So, knowing what you know today, what advice would you give the younger Scott?
Yeah, I'd probably say start the company sooner than
Mhm.
later. I would definitely give something I got lucky in, but I would definitely say do, and maybe me be more active, is try to find roles that allow you to take a larger chunk of the business. If you
Mhm.
want to be an entrepreneur, you need to be able to understand sales, marketing, legal, finance, like revenue recognition, outside of just engineering pieces. I got lucky on that by being able to slip into those types of roles. But I'd be probably more because I'm trying to find those maybe sooner
Mhm.
for certain. And then three, I tell everybody to broaden your circle. I intentionally moved out of Dallas when I was younger. I live here again, but I've been gone for years. When you broaden that circle, move, go to a new city, it forces you to meet different people that have different needs. Because if you're staying in the same place, you're generally speaking going to run into similar people that have the similar needs.